Welcome in Thuso in Lesotho. Today I would like to show you some simple and effective exercises to stretch out the hip. Exercise to mobilize the stiff hip. Simple exercise which can help you, if you do them daily and regularly, to ease the hips, to get more flexible in the hips, and through that to have more health in your hip. That means relaxation, activation, being more mobile and having less pain. These exercises will help you as well to reduce tension in the low back and probably to help to ease off as well low back pain. Take just a little mattress, a carpet or just a blanket and lie down on your back. The first exercise is just lying straight on the floor. Stretch out your hips. Just let the gravitational force work. We have to do nothing, just let go. So the hip flexes, the thigh muscles will relax. I breathe gently in my belly and I try to calm down a bit my inner stress. After a while, you will be ready to exercise. Start with a very simple rotation exercise of the foot. The foot point inwards and outwards. The knees remain straight. Your low back is just touching the floor. In and out. Enjoy. If you want to open the legs a bit more, just try. Find out how is that. Simple rotation exercise. Probably you ask how many? I would say go on, at least 20. Gentle exercises when they are done with calm, with attention, but for a longer time, not only 5, 6 of them, help more. Okay, now we're coming to the second exercise. Bend your knees and now gently move one knee outside. Let it go. Back and the other one. While I'm moving outwards with the knee, my pelvis remains in the same position. Avoid to do this. Avoid to do this. Just remain straight with your pelvis and open. Open the groin. Stretch out the hip to the side. Remember, you don't have to force it. It's just the gravitational force who is doing it by itself. The weight of the thigh is enough to stretch. You can choose, do it gently, rhythmically like this, or do a more steadily stretch. Remain here. Breathe 2-3 times and back again. The next exercise is similar. We just double. Put the feet in a prayer position and now let go both knees. Take care that your gym exercise trousers are not too tight. So then when you open, they don't limit the stretch. I close and I open. This is a gentle but effective stretch of the inner side muscles, the adductor muscles. Another exercise. You bend your knee. My right knee, I bring it up to the chest. With my right hand, I hold down at the ankle. Just hold it up, stretch. While I'm flexing the right leg, my left leg is straight and long. After a while, change. the left leg. I hold my knee with the right hand, the foot with the left hand, and I stretch it up. While I'm stretching my left leg up to the chest, the right one is well extended on the floor. If you feel maybe a little bit tight in the muscles, maybe you could experience a cramp, just loosen, relax them, making like this. Now, let us turn on the belly. Just lying on the belly is already an exercise. We stretch out the hips. So often during the day, we are in flexion, we are sitting. Maybe we are in the car, in the bus, at work. Maybe we are in the restaurant to eat, or we're sitting together watching TV. We are always in flexion. Now, our hip is well extended. To stretch the thigh muscle, I grasp my ankle, and while I'm grasping my ankle, I put my hip down to the floor. Don't allow to the body to do like this. Just remain down and stretch out your ankle. If you think your arm is not long enough, just grasp yourself by your sock. Let go. Do the same with the other side. Remember, the groin shall touch the floor. Now we come back on our back and into sitting. One leg we place like this. The other leg is nicely long. Now we are stretching the hamstrings muscles. I just come forward. I drop my head down. And while leaning forward, we stretch already these muscles. It's not necessary that you work too much forward, that you push. Stay there. Let work the gravitational force. Give the tissue time to stretch. Stay there for half a minute. You will see the stretching occurs. And then the same on the other side. We will repeat it at least for 10 times. If you feel a bit tight, relax your muscles doing like this. For effective stretching, you need your engagement. If you do stretches every day after a little warm-up of the body, and you do it continuously without forcing, and when you do it with time, let's say you stretch at least for 2-3 months, you definitely will have success. If you try to do it too quick, too intensive, you will get pain. Don't work too strong. Don't be too quick while stretching. Give yourself time, because these muscle shortenings, they were built up within years. They cannot be loosened within days. But if you give a bit time, within 2-3 months, you will find success. Good luck.